here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Before these go up, then you can say AMD's probably feeling pretty confident.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, Tycho in the chat asked, when are we getting samples and benchmarks out there for these chips?
Oh, let me read from this internal email that says, "Do not tell anybody about it." I don't know, and I couldn't tell you even if I knew, because that's
You couldn't
not how
even
it
tell
works.
if you had an internal email saying if you had the date.
No,
Yeah, we try not to even comment on whether or not we are under embargo for stuff, because that alone gives away if you are. So
yeah,
we're
you
not
don't-
allowed to talk about that. We don't want to get sued.
You don't want to get invited to an event that is like, "Hey, by the way, we have